Today's recipe only takes a few ingredients and it comes together so fast, it's delicious. You can use it as a side dish for dinner tonight or as a dip at your next party. Everyone is going to love it. Come along. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new to the channel, my name's Vicki and I am cooking on the farm on Route 66. Go check out our other channel and see all the fun animal videos we have, especially our horse rescues. We love all animals, but horses have our heart. Comment below, do you guys like horses too? In today's recipe, we are making a delicious Frito corn salad that can be either for a side dish or a dip. Super simple with just a few ingredients. No cooking, you throw it together in one bowl and it is always a hit. All you need is 2 cans of corn, some chili cheese Fritos, some bell pepper, red onion, a lime, some cilantro, sour cream, and mayonnaise. This recipe comes together so fast and it is so delicious, your family's gonna love it. Let's throw it together. Okay, first off, we are gonna open our cans of corn and we are going to drain the corn and then dump it right inside my red bowl here. You need 1 bell pepper diced. I'm gonna pour this right in. We need 1 red onion diced. And we're just gonna pour that right in. We need 1 cup of mayonnaise and sour cream. Now, if you are a big mayonnaise person, you can go all mayonnaise, or if you're a big sour cream person, you can choose to go all sour cream. I am gonna do half and half. So I'm just gonna take my 1 cup measuring tool here, and I'm gonna put in enough mayonnaise that it's about halfway. And then I'm gonna add in sour cream, just like that. And it can be a little bit over, it's okay. And I'm gonna scoop that right into my bowl. Everyone, this recipe is honestly so good, it should go viral. So hit that like button, share it with everyone, because it truly will be a family favorite. Look at this, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually mix this all together. If you wanna come close and look at this, Casey. I have Casey behind the camera for me. Everyone tell Casey hello.
Hey guys.
We're gonna mix it all together. Just like that. What we're gonna do next is take this little bag of Fritos chili cheese chips and I'm gonna kind of crunch it just a little, and then I'm gonna pour it right in the bowl. We're gonna give it 1 more stir. You guys, this smells so delicious. Now here's a tip for you. If you weren't going to serve this immediately, what you could do is you could make up the mixture, and before you add the chips, why don't you just cover it and put it in the fridge and save it? And then right before you go to your barbecue or your friend's house and you need to take a side, you can add the chips and it's perfect. It'll keep those chips nice and crunchy. Okay, there's 2 more things we need to do. We need to chop up some cilantro just for garnish. We're just gonna chop it into little pieces. I love cilantro. Now, if you're not a big cilantro fan, don't use it. But I love cilantro. and I think it goes perfect with this side. Or like I said, you can use this as a dip with chips. Okay, we are going to sprinkle some of this cilantro right on top. Squeeze the juice of 1 lime. Mix it all together for one final mix. This recipe is delicious. Your family is going to love it. It's the perfect side. It's a hit every time. And like I said, this recipe should go viral. So hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this recipe with all those that you love. Smells so good. Thank you for coming along and making this in the kitchen with me today. It honestly is so delicious. I'm going to take you out on the farm now. We're going to enjoy some beautiful horses and just a beautiful day on the farm. Let's go. Look at my sunflowers, you guys. I asked Ellen to not cut them for some pictures. And now I bet there are some that are at least 10 feet tall, maybe 12 feet. It's crazy. The horses are starting to come in here and eat them, and they actually walk over the top so that their bellies get scratched. Do you hear the birds inside? Listen.